Bruce Mader. I'm from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It was very informative. I had heard about stem cell therapy before. Really didn't understand the whole situation, and it was interesting to see how it would apply to me. Oh, he was very interesting. He's very passionate about what he does, and kept me interested through the whole thing, yeah. All of the medicine that I'm utilizing right now is really hard on my body, specifically my liver. And so if this is an alternative that can offer me relief through my whole body, then that's something I would like to try to do.